Hello students, welcome to my channel Rams Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about grades of concrete as per IS 456-2000. If you are watching my video for first time, please subscribe my channel. These classes will help you for your academics and engineering common entrance test examinations like ESET and state level job examinations like AEs, AWs in PW departments and national level examinations like SSC JE, RRB JE and other examinations related to the civil engineering. Let us start our discussion on grade of concrete. So what is the definition of a grade of concrete? So the definition of grade of concrete given by IS 456, the characteristic compressive strength of a concrete of 150 mm cube at a age of 28 days, which is measured in Newton for mm square, is considered as a grade of concrete. And this grade of concrete is designated with a alphabet like this, that is M suffix X. Here M refers to mixed proportion and here X is number, that is start from 5, 7.5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. What these numbers are refers to? These are the characteristic compressive strength of 150 mm cube at a 28 days curing. It will be measured in Newton for mm square. So let us take an example here. M20 I am taking. Here M refers to what? A mix, and the number 20 refers to it's a characteristic compressive strength of a concrete, that is designated with a FCK of 150 mm cube, which is cured in 28 days. After that, if you test, the whatever the value you get, that will be the characteristic compressive strength of that particular cube, that will be measured in terms of Newton for mm square. So as per IS 456-2000, these grades of concrete are categorized as three groups. Those are first one ordinary concrete, second standard concrete, and third high strength concrete. In ordinary concrete, the grades of concrete fall is M10, M15 and M20. So hereafter the M10, M15 and M20 grades of concrete are called as a ordinary concrete. And similarly in standard grade of concretes, that is start from M25, M30 and M35, M40, M45, M50 and M55. So and then finally third category is our high strength concrete. So that will fall the grade of concrete falls in this category is M70, M75 and M80. You know, here M is nothing but a mix, and those values what we have, that numbers 10, 15 up to 80, those are called a characteristic compressive strength, that will be represented with a, or that is designated with a alphabet FCK of a, that is a strength of a 150 mm cube after curing for 28 days. That after testing that, what we get the value, that will be the characteristic compressive strength of that particular cube, that is 10 Newton for mm square, 15 Newton for mm square and so on. We have up to and 80 Newton for mm square, right? Then we have some other condition according to table number 5 of IS 456-2000. What is the minimum grade of concrete can be used for different exposure conditions. Again, this exposure condition are categorized as five groups as per our IS 456-2000. So that is a first one is mild exposure condition, moderate exposure condition, severe exposure condition, very severe exposure condition and extreme exposure condition. The exposure condition means on which environmental condition we are using our concrete. That is called a exposure condition. Here with respect to this IS 456-2000 table number 5, in mild exposure condition there is no value for PCC given, but if you are using, you have to use the minimum grade of concrete for this exposure condition is M20. For moderate exposure condition, for PCC M15, for RCC it is M25. For severe condition, For PCC, M20, RCC, M30. For a very severe condition, that PCC can be, minimum grade of PCC will be used is M20 and minimum grade of RCC will be used is M35. Finally, in extreme conditions, minimum grade of PCC used is M25 and minimum grade of RCC used is M40. So that's all about our grade of concrete. Now we'll see some questions which are asked in ESET as well as SSC JEE. Let us start with the ESET questions. The first question asked based on this topic is the characteristic compressive strength of M30 grade concrete in Newton for mm square is. So it is a basic definition of a grade of concrete. You know, the grade of concrete can be designated as M suffix x. M is a mix and the number x will be represent the number. That number is a characteristic compressive strength of a particular cube. Here same thing is given. The grade of concrete given is here, that is M30, and here M refers to this mix and this 30 refers to the characteristic compressive strength of a 150 mm cube which is cubed for 28 days. After testing, whatever the value we got, that will be the characteristic compressive strength of that particular cube, that is 30 here, that is designated with a FCK, right? So the characteristic compressive strength of M30 grade of concrete in Newton for mm square is 30. So according to this problem, the option C is correct. So discuss one more question. The minimum grade of concrete to be used as per IS 456-2000 for reinforced concrete structure to be constructed along the sea coast. So you have to underline these points based on which code, whether you are using RCC or PCC, in which environmental condition you are constructing the structure. So based on this, we have to answer this question. For this question, options are M15, M20, M25 and M30. So let us see our constructed along the sea coast is. Now sea coast will falls under which environmental condition? That again first we have to judge that. So according to table number 3 of environmental exposure condition given in IS 456-2000, say here the concrete completely immersed in seawater is one condition and concrete exposed to the coastal environment. So the question is here, the RCC structures to be constructed along sea coast means this structure are constructed along the coastal environment. So this condition falls in your severe atmosphere, that environmental exposure condition. So for severe environmental exposure condition, what is the minimum grade of RCC used? So here the answer. This is according to the table number 5. So that is severe M20 is for PCC and M30 for RCC. In the question it is asked reinforced concrete structure. So for this coastal area construction, it is falls under severe condition, and in severe condition minimum grade of RCC used is M30. So the option D is correct for this question. So let us go to the next question. In ESET 2007 it was asked the M20 grade of concrete indicates the compressive strength of 20 MPa by testing. So it is as a basic definition. You know the what is that grade of concrete is. Grade of concrete means what? It is a M refers to the mix and 20 refers to the characteristic compressive strength of a concrete which is concrete of 150 mm concrete cube which is cubed for 28 days. After we have to go for test the whatever the value obtained. Suppose for this case if you obtain the value of 20 Newton for mm square, that will be designated as M20 grade concrete. So the options are like this: 100 meter cube at 28 days. So it is not a correct answer. 150 mm diameter cylinder. So as for our Indian standards, for testing the cubes, we have to use the cube of 150 mm. But we are not using for cylinders. Cylinders are used for ACI recommendations. that is American Concrete Institute standards are using cylinder for calculating the characteristic compressive strength of a concrete. But in your Indian standard we are using only cubes, and the third option is 150 mm cube at 28 days. So this is matching to our definition. We are using 150 mm cube, and cube will be cubed for 28 days. After that we go for testing. So on option C is correct for this case, right? So answer I have given here as per IS 456-2000, 150 mm concrete cube cubed for 28 days, and that should be tested on the CTM. Then we have to calculate the strength in Newton for mm square. That will be give the M20 grade of concrete indicates the compressive strength of 20 MPa by testing 150 mm cube at 28 days. So these are the questions asked in ESET. Now we'll solve some questions on this SSC JEE. The question asked in SSC JEE in I think either 2008 or something. The ordinary concrete is not used for concrete grade. Just it is a little tricky question. Just don't confuse with that. The ordinary concrete is not used for concrete grade. That means in the following grades of concrete, which is not a ordinary grade concrete. You know, as per IS 456-2000, our concrete grades are classified into three groups, that is ordinary group, standard group, and high strength concrete group. In ordinary group we have up to M10, M15 and M20. But here the question is not used for ordinary concrete. So M10 we can use as ordinary concrete, and M15 we can use as ordinary concrete, M20 we can use as ordinary concrete, but M40 we cannot use as a ordinary concrete. So the question is not used as a ordinary concrete. So the option D is correct for this case. So according to this option, that our M40 grade of concrete falls under the category of standard grade concrete, right? So we'll go the next question. The permissible compressive strength of M20 grade of concrete is. So it is very easy, simple unit conversion here. The options are in terms of kg for centimeter square. Generally, the compressive strength of a concrete will measure in terms of Newton for mm square. Here, M20 means mix 20 Newton, characteristic compressive strength of that particular concrete is 20 Newton for mm square. If we convert this 20 Newton for mm square into kg for centimeter square, there will be the answer. So let us start. Before answering this question, you should know some unit conversion. You know that we have to convert it into newtons into kgs. So how many kgs, how many newtons equal to 1 kg you should know. So 1 kg equal to 10 newtons, and from this I can calculate what is 1 newton is equal to. 1 newton equal to 1/10 of kg, that is 0.1 kg. And similarly 1 centimeter equal to, you know that 10 mm, we should know what is a 1 mm is equal to. 1 mm is equal to 1/10 of centimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. Now for a M20 grade of concrete, it will be represented in its characteristic compressive strength, that is 20 Newton for mm square. Now this 20 Newton for mm square will be converted into kg for centimeter square. For converting this Newton into kg, according to this we have to multiply this 20 into with 0.1 times kg by mm square means 1 mm is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Here by mm into mm, so 0.1 centimeter into 0.1 centimeter, and then finally this and this get cancelled. Then finally we get 20 kg for 0.1 centimeter square. By 20 by 0.1 is 200, and remaining units are kg for centimeter square. So simply the answer for this question is for M20, 20 Newton for mm square is equal to 200 kg for centimeter square. So the options are 100 kg per centimeter square. So it is not a correct option. And next option is 150 kg for Newton square. It is not a correct option. And next we have 200 kg for centimeter square. So it is a correct option for this question. So the option C is correct. So next question is, the minimum grade of reinforced concrete of moderate exposure condition should be. See the questions what we discussed previous, and these are both are same. There you mention specifically in which location you are doing concreting, but here in which condition you are doing concreting. Both are almost the same questions. So the minimum grade of reinforced concrete of a moderate exposure condition should be. So for moderate exposure condition, the PCC is M15 and RCC is M25. What type of concrete is asked? So reinforced concrete. So for the reinforced concrete in moderate exposure condition, minimum grade used is M25. So what are the options given? M25, M30, M15 and M20. So finally this M25 is correct. So the option A is correct for this question. So thank you. That's all for today's class.